Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are fine. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to use date and time picker in Flutter application. Let us start. Basic project, import material, and here main function, and run app, constant my app. Now here we will create stateless widget my app. You all know how to create basic Flutter project. Material app. Let me give title and date and time picker. Theme will be theme data. Color scheme from seed, for example blue color. We will use material 3. Let me create first screen, home screen. Here let me create directory screens. Inside screens I will create home screen. Directory name will be home. Inside this I will create dot class home screen, import material, stateful widget, home screen. Here return scaffold, app bar, and title will be and date and time picker. Here we can give home as home screen. Now when our application will start, first of all home screen will appear. Let me run the application. Now our application started successfully. First of all, let me remove a debug banner from here. Now let me open home screen. Here inside body we will write code body, and inside body let me use column. Inside column we will use elevated button on pressed. Child will be date picker. We will use this button for picking our date. And let me create another button for picking time. Just copy and paste it here. Change the text to time picker, date picker and time picker. Let me center this column, wrap with center, and here there is a property main axis alignment. Sorry, here inside column main axis alignment center, it will show in center. You can see date picker and time picker. Now here we will create two functions. First function for picking date, date picking async function. Now here we will show our date picker, show date picker. There is a function show date picker. Here first parameter is context. Here we will pass our context. The second parameter is first date, because when we press the button it will show a calendar from where we will pick our date. So it is asking from where the calendar should start. Here let me give, for example, I want to start a calendar from year 2000. Here I will pass year 2000. So it will start from year 2000. And third parameter is last date. Here in last date, for example, I want to pass 2030. So our calendar will start from 2000 and end at 2030. Now here it will give us date and time. We can get here in then function, then inside then Here it will give date and time. Let me rename it date. Now here we can print date like this. Now simply I will call this function here in date picker, date picking function. Now let me click the button date picker. You can see it is showing calendar. It start if I show you here, you can see it is starting from 2000. The first date is 2000 and it ends at 2030. Now here for example I select 2024. Here we can select months, multiple months, May, June, July, August, etc. We can select multiple months like this. We can scroll horizontally. Here I can pick any date, for example 6. Now when I press OK, it will print date and time. You can see here it is printing. Because in this case we are only picking date, that is why time is 00. So it gives us only date. So this is the way we can pick date by using date picker. It also has multiple parameters. If you hover it, show date picker, you will see it has multiple options. We can also change the text here. Let me show you. Here you can see when date picker dialog appear, you can see it has two buttons, cancel and OK. Cancel button and confirm button. We can change text here if you hover it. Here you can see it is showing cancel text and confirm text and other parameters. You can try all the parameters and let me know in comments if you face any issue. Now we will show time picker. Here let me create new function, time picking. You can create any function according with your choice. Here there is a function show time picker, same like date picker, time picker. Its first parameter is context, and the second parameter is initial time. When a dialog will appear, the initial time will show here. We will pass here time of the day, time of day dot now. It will show current time. After that, here we can get this time in then function. Then inside then let me change it to time. You can see it give us a time of day. Here we can print this, print time like this. Now simply we will call this here time picking like this. Now when I click time picker, you can see it is showing our time picker. Here you can see it is showing current time that we passed here, initial time. You can see initial time, time of day dot now. It will show initial time. You can see here. From here we can select AM, PM and hours, minutes, everything we can select here. When I press OK, here you can see it is showing like this. But we can print here in other way to better understanding. Date time dot format here. If you click again, let me try to pick time. When I press OK, now you can see it is showing formatted time 12:45 AM like this. So in this way we can pick our date and time. So if you want to pick both date and time in just in single button, we can also create here single button, another button. Let me create this button, date and time picker. So by using this button we will pick both date and times. Here let me create another function, date time picking. Date time picking async function. Here inside this, first of all, let me just copy and paste same code of date picking, and after that here I will remove this print. Instead of print here I will show you here time picker. Just copy time picker and paste it here. After that here before time printing, here we will print our date. Now in this way we will pick both date and time. Let me call this function here date time picking. Now let me press third button here. First of all, you can see it is showing date picker. Here we can select date, for example 4. Press OK. When we will press OK, it will automatically show time picker. You can see here. Now we can select our time. We can pick our time here like this. When press OK, it will show here. You can see it is printing date and time. So this is the way we can pick date, time, and both date and time. So if you have any question in your mind, you can ask in comment box or you can contact me directly on WhatsApp. Okay, good luck.